Hi, this video is for replacing the brake pads on the front of a Kia Sportage. This is a 2013 model. It's a 1.6 GDI, which is a petrol engine, but I assume it'll be the same for petrol diesel. Firstly, there's got some tools set out, so there's a little list going on. I'll put it in the description as well of the tools that I had ready. On this car I had to put some wooden blocks underneath the jack just because my jacks don't go up high enough. Anyway, once the wheels are off, there's a couple nuts on the couple bolts on the back of the brake pad carrier. So there's two of those that need undoing, and that releases the carrier in the middle, which then lets you get to the pads. So this car doesn't have a wear sensor as such, it does it by sound. Here I'm winding back the brake pad, the piston. You can see that the brake pads are obviously needing doing, and I've tied up the carrier there just to reduce any load on it, unnecessary load. So just put some anti-squeal on the back of the new pads. These are Brembo ones, just purely because that's what I used before, and the discs are also Brembo, so I'll stick with the same. So I've already undone the brake fluid reservoir cap and taken some brake fluid out before pushing back the piston. Obviously, otherwise you're going to cause a leak. So just avoid any pressure on there. So there's the piston, as you can see, sticking out. And once I've wound it back, it's gone pretty much flat. There you go. So it's gone flat. So that'll just slip over the new brake pads because obviously they're thicker. And there it is, all back together again. So this is just obviously one side that I've videoed. That's about it. So once that's done, then you will obviously check the brake pedal, make sure that it's all good, that you're getting decent feel, and then replace the brake fluid again. Thanks for watching.